Allergen safety in a large family kitchen demands a clear, central notice board that everyone can read and follow. Design a wall-mounted board in a high-traffic area near the main cooking zone that lists family members and frequent guests with their specific allergies and severity levels. Use consistent color-coded labels for each common allergen and keep a printed legend so new people can understand the code at a glance. Include a section for recipe substitution suggestions that pairs common ingredients with safe alternatives, and note any cooking method changes, such as avoiding cross-contact from frying or using shared oil. Create a designated allergy-safe zone in the pantry and refrigerator with physical markers and sealed containers to prevent accidental mixing of foods. Provide a compact protocol list for visitors and sitters that spells out hand washing, utensil use, and serving steps in 3 simple actions so it is easy to remember and follow. Keep a running log space where the last 3 meal plans and any incidents are recorded so patterns are visible and corrective steps can be taken quickly. The most common mistake is assuming everyone remembers restrictions, so post short, specific instructions at eye level and require a quick verbal confirmation before serving food. People often underestimate cross-contact, so store allergy-safe utensils and cookware separately in sealed containers and label them plainly to prevent accidental use. Another frequent issue is complex or unfamiliar substitution advice, so provide one trusted alternative per common ingredient and a short note on texture or taste changes to set expectations. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for building or installing notice boards and allergy-safe kitchen zones, and we connect contractors with projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where families and professionals exchange plans, product recommendations, and real-world tips to keep everyone safer.